Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to refresh a report in the Power BI service using a personal gateway. So let's start. I'm already logged into the Power BI service and I've got this workspace called experiments and I've got this report. I've actually got a couple of reports, but I've got this refresh report data with Power BI gateway. So I go to the data sets and I click on more options and I click on settings, and you can see that it's giving me the data sources and it's telling me that my gateway is running. And what I can do is I can create a refresh, but at the moment it's coming out as grayed out. That is because it is not identifying one of the resources. So all I need to do for that is click on the edit credentials and use the same mode, Windows without impersonation, and click sign in. So it connects to my sheet over here on the seed data. So I'll just hit sign in. And you can see that check mark against this sheet has gone away. And now this option has become available for me. So I can turn it on and I can turn, let's say I can set up a zone for this. And then I can add a time here, say 5 in the morning. And I can click on apply. So if I close, so now this thing has become available and the data will get refreshed at 5 a.m. every morning. So that's one. But let's say, so let me go back to my workspace. So we'll just go on to experiment, go to reports and click on this report. Let's say you can, so one is you set this option up, but you can also refresh the data set. So let's say, let me just click on edit report and I'll just show you something. So let's say I've got product category and I'll just click on English product category name. It's showing me four English product categories, and which is the number of records which exist here in the product category: bikes, components, clothing, and accessories. Now what happens if I insert one row? So I can just say insert one more row into the table. I click that. Yep, so let's just change this to 8. I was experimenting with this earlier, so it's inserted that row. And now if I go and select execute here, so it's showing me, you can see over here. So I've got computer as well as my category here. So now let's go back to the report. And even if we refresh the report, nothing will happen, essentially because the data set has not been refreshed. But if I go to experiment, let's save this. And I'll go to the data set and I can hit refresh here. And you can see on here that it is preparing to refresh, and then it will refresh the data set. And you can see that the data set has been refreshed. So we'll go back to the report, open the report, and now I'll hit refresh here again. And you can see that it is giving me that name. The name has become available to me. So in this video, we've learned how essentially we can use a personal gateway to refresh the data in the Power BI service, and how we can schedule a refresh as well. We can manually refresh the data set in the Power BI report. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my video if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.